next factoring question you had on your homework last night was this one. 2 times the sine squared of x plus 5 sine plus 3, which is totally intimidating until you realize it factors like a trinomial. 2 times the sine of x plus 3 times the sine of x plus 1. And if you're not sure, you can check it out. 2 sine x times 1 sine x is 2 sine x squared. 2 sine x, 3 sine x, 5 sine x, and positive 3. So there you have it. Now, again, we can use our principle of zero products to say that if two numbers multiply to make 0, one of them or both of them are 0, and we solve for both cases. So in this case, I'm going to subtract 3. I get 2 times the sine of x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by 2. Sine of x equals negative 3 over 2. And now, wait a minute. This is not in our range of values for sine of x. So, right, sine of x has to be between negative 1 and 1 inclusive, so this does not work. So that's like a, let's ignore that. Nope. Now here, if we go here, we'll subtract 1 from both sides. We get sine x equals negative 1. Where does the sine of x equal negative 1? Well, it equals negative 1 at 3 pi over 2, and then again at 7 pi over 2, and then again at, oh, not plus, comma, 11 pi over 2, and every 2 pi it just keeps going on and on and on. And so here's how we write that. If we want to solve for all of the values, x is equal to 3 pi over 2 plus 2n pi, as long as n is an element of the integers, and we use that sort of like fancy z for the integers. So we keep adding 2 pi. There we go. That solves for all of them. Stay tuned for the very last one.